Alright, this is a brief demonstration video of our Cincinnati Aero 1000. We're a little close to the wall over here, as you can see, so there's not a lot of room for clearance. These are the shipping brackets, and that's the Y-axis front way cover that's off right now, so that when we put the shipping brackets on, they'll fit. Obviously, coolant tank, box of manuals, etc. and so on. Here is the inside of the machine. We have a tool that's ours that's in there just for demonstration purposes. That's the tool setting probe, that's the part measurement probe, that's that Y-axis cover that's been removed for shipping and bracketing, as I told you. Here's the pendant controller and the control itself, and I put a little demonstration program in here. That's the spindle running at 500 RPMs. We're going to run X, Y, and Z axis for you here. Here's a closer look at that tool setting probe while it's riding by. Okay, when this gets to the corner, the spindle's going to jump to 2,000 RPM. I'll walk you behind real quick so you can get a look at the serial number of the machine. I'll try to get that close up for you. I don't know how to focus this, so let's see here. I'm sorry, I can't focus it to quite get that on you. Okay, side view. And we did warm up the spindle before running this. And lastly, once this table goes back to that far corner, it's going to complete the X-axis movement right here about now, and now head back on the Y. Once we get back there, you'll hear the spindle speed at 6,500 RPMs. And that should change just about now. Okay. I hope that's enough to satisfy your curiosities, and that's what I put together today for a demonstration video for you.